Today is Wednesday, July 24th, and I am heading east back towards Maine, and I am in British Columbia, just south of Banff National Park. I've tried to go there, and yesterday the road was closed because of a forest fire, so I ended up getting diverted down to a city or town called Kamloops. I spent the night there, came back up. It literally took me about 10 hours out of my way. And I can't get to Banff because of the forest fire. There's one right in front of me. It's pretty impressive. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I'm looking at right now. And that's a forest fire up on the mountainside. And I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but pretty impressive. It must be, I'm guessing, at least 2 to 3 miles away from where I'm standing, but you can hear the crackling. The sound is, I don't know if the camera picks it up or not, but I can hear it. My hearing's pretty bad. And, people who know me know that. But so this is what it looks like, and this is it's about 4:30 in the afternoon, something like that. And I'm going to a place called Radium Hot Springs. I'm on my way there. I should be there in about an hour. I've got a place to stay there tonight, and I'll keep heading. Tomorrow I'm going to be crossing the border and going down into Montana, and be going through Glacier National Park. So that's some great footage, scenery there for sure. So this is just a short clip. I'll put it on YouTube. I'm hoping, I know it's quite windy here, and I'm hoping people can hear what I'm saying. But I've got a lot of great footage from my trip over the past several weeks, but it's just stuff that needs to be edited. So here's a short one I'll put on YouTube, and I think it might pique people's interest. And I have some similar videos once I have the time to edit them to put on YouTube.